In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check page views on GA4. Whether you're running a blog, an e-commerce site, or any website, understanding how your audience interacts with your pages is crucial. Today, I'm here to guide you through the process of checking your page views on Google Analytics 4, commonly referred to as GA4. This tool is incredibly powerful, offering a wealth of information that can help you optimize your site and content strategy. So let's dive in. First off, we'll start with the basics. You'll need to go to Google. This is your gateway to accessing all things Google, including GA4. Once you're there, you'll need to sign into your Google account. Look for the sign in button. Clicking this will prompt you to select the Google account you want to use. If you manage multiple Google accounts, make sure you pick the one associated with your GA4 property. After selecting your account, you'll be asked to enter your password. Take a moment to ensure you're entering the correct password for the selected account. Following this, you'll click on Next to proceed. This step is pretty straightforward but crucial for accessing Google's suite of services securely. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll look for the Google Apps icon, which is usually located at the top right corner of your screen. It's a small grid of dots that, when clicked, unfolds a menu of various Google services and applications. From this array, you'll want to select Google Analytics. This is where the journey to understanding your website's page views truly begins. After clicking on Google Analytics, you'll be directed to your GA4 property. If you're handling multiple properties, ensure you're in the correct one linked to the website you wish to analyze. To move forward, navigate to the Reports section. This might appear overwhelming at first glance due to the plethora of options available, but just remember, navigating through GA4 becomes more intuitive with practice. In the Reports section, you will find a myriad of data points and pre-configured report templates. Your next step is to click on Traffic to zero in on the data concerning the visitors to your site. This section provides a comprehensive overview of how users are interacting with your site, including various metrics and dimensions of traffic analysis. However, our primary focus today is on page views, so let's proceed to that specific metric. Your next action involves clicking on Pages and Screens within the traffic reports. This is where GA4 displays a detailed breakdown of how your audience is engaging with individual pages of your site. This view gives you clear insights into which of your pages are the most popular, how long visitors are spending on each page, and other valuable metrics that help paint a picture of your website's performance. Exploring the Pages and Screens report allows you to dive deep into each page's performance. You'll see not just the raw number of page views, but also engagement metrics like average time on page and bounce rate. These insights are critical for understanding what's working well on your site and identifying areas for improvement. Keep in mind, navigating through GA4 and interpreting the data requires a bit of familiarity and practice. Don't be discouraged if it seems complex at first. The more you explore and experiment with the reports, the more you'll uncover about your audience's behavior and how to optimize your site for better performance and enhanced user experience. As we wrap up this tutorial, remember that checking your page views on GA4 is just the starting point. Google Analytics offers a wealth of data and insights waiting to be explored. Use this information to guide your content strategy, site improvements, and marketing initiatives. By understanding how your audience interacts with your site, you can make informed decisions that drive success and growth. That's all for today's tutorial on how to check page views on GA4. I hope you found this guide helpful and are now better equipped to navigate Google Analytics 4 with confidence. Keep exploring, keep analyzing, and most importantly, keep optimizing for your audience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.